Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have a quick DIY here. It's fairly straightforward. Follow along and we'll get your clutch line upgraded within minutes. It's simple. All you need, 3 tools and a bucket, obviously, to catch the fluid. But you need 3 tools, an 11 mil, a 14 mil, and a 17 mil open-ended wrenches. That's it. Very simple, straightforward DIY. All we're gonna do is, here's the original line. Okay, all you're doing is using your 17 mil on this end, holding the other side, which will be, grab that for you if I can.
A few moments later.
So on the other side of that will be a clutch delay valve. It looks like this. This is a 14 mil. You rotate this side of the clutch delay valve while holding the 17 mil side on the pipe on this hose in place. Okay, and once you've unthreaded it, then I went ahead and removed my clutch delay valve because it's just a restriction we don't need. If you're driving spirited like me, I would suggest you remove this. This is meant for comfort. I'm trying to I'm trying to enjoy my car a little bit more, I'll be honest. So this basically goes through here into this pipe, 11 mil right here. Unthread this, pull this out of the way, get your new line, and the same thing up here actually. So on the master side, there's a hard line coming down. There's 11 mil right behind it, right here, and a 17 mil on this side for the other end of your factory hose. Looks like that. Once you get that off, all you're doing is just threading in this now 14 mil all along both sides directly into the hard line. So there is no clutch delay valve in place. This goes straight through into that, and the same thing up here. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze if you have an X brace like me, because my car is a convertible. If you don't have an X brace, it's a little bit harder. Or sorry, I would say a little bit easier. But if you have an X brace in place, fairly straightforward. Just get your wrench in from the backside, or use a shorter wrench, like something like these. Shorter wrenches. These are perfect. So here's my 11 mil. Get that up here. Hold that in place. Unthread your 17. Thread in your 14 and install your new line directly. Make sure it's tight, and then you could just do a simple bleed. That's about it. Honestly, the most straightforward and worthwhile DIY you should do on your car is this. It is super, super helpful. It just makes your car feel so much better. Not to say it's improving the clutch or the grab of your clutch itself. It's the more of the feel. And I think that's important when you're driving a whole old car. Everything seems to feel a little bit loose and old. These are small upgrades. They don't cost much, and it's a very cheap hose you can buy from ECS Tuning directly. It's worth every penny. So get yourself one of these. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you again so much for watching.